Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Aoife, it's nice to meet you. So today's video, as you can see by the title, is my first impressions of Birchbox. So I have always seen this online, I've seen lots of reviews, I've seen lots of people opening their boxes, and I made an account literally a year ago. I made an account and I wanted to like personalize the box to see what it was like, and then last minute I didn't get it. So ever since they've been sending me emails, which is completely irrelevant to this intro of the video, but I'm gonna say it anyway. But they sent me an email, said that you buy one box get another box free. So the boxes, I got 2 boxes for the price of one, and it was like €12. So I thought that was a good deal, so I purchased it. And the other day, I think it was yesterday, I got it in the post. I look a bit ugly right now because I just finished work. I just changed my top, I just finished work. My makeup is like dripping off me, but I thought I have to film this right now because I need to open it. So yes, I actually completely forgot what I ordered. So I got this box, I have my address on the front, it's just a plain box. I opened it up because I forgot what was in it, and I opened it to these 2 boxes. These 2 boxes are actually individually wrapped, but for the purpose of the video I just opened them up, so I have them here. So it says Magic Inside Birchbox, and then you have the 2 boxes. One's free and one is the free one. So I just took them out of the boxes, I didn't open them. My first impression of this box is it's so cute, and my first impression of these 2 boxes are they're kind of small, they look way bigger. I know, like with hauls and stuff, I haven't watched anyone unbox it in ages, so I forgot what it was like. So these are the 2 boxes. I'm not sure which one I got for free and which one was the month of August one. I think this was the August one, I think this was the free one, but whatever. These packaging are, my first impressions of the packaging is they're super pretty. This one is like magnetic open, and this one is like a drawer that's sliding out. But they're both really cute, and I'm absolutely living for this packaging. Like, I'm not even sure if you can see this, but it's the prettiest thing I have ever seen. And this one's like holographic. I think I'm gonna open the pretty one first because I'm a child. So yeah, it's magnetic. Okay, so it's like a mirror thing, but it's not a mirror thing, it's like a fake mirror thing. And it says You're a Gem, April 2019. Why does it say April? Okay, so as you can see, my first glance inside of the box. So it has, the first thing I'm actually seeing, I'm not even gonna lie, is the Pore Professional. So this is a benefit primer. If you pop it open, it's a sample, like a really tiny sample. So it's literally tiny, the little bottle inside is tiny, but you only need a little bit if it's a primer. So this is basically a primer from Benefit. So I have always seen this, it's advertised literally everywhere you go, this is advertised, but I've actually never tried it, so I'm kind of excited to try that. The next thing that I'm seeing is Avida. I'm not sure how you can pronounce that, but Avida, and this is the Damage Remedy Intensive Treatment. So this is a hair treatment. So this is a, yeah, so this is a hair mask treatment that you put on the ends of your hair. After shampooing smoothly even through damp hair from roots to end, and leave in for 2 to 5 minutes and then rinse. So it's a, you probably get like 1 use out of this if it's from root to end if you have really long hair, but this is really cool because I love trying out new hair masks. The next thing that I have seen is the Human Plus Kind skincare with a so what's this? This is a natural product. This is a moisturizer for your body. So I have never heard of this brand before, but it is nice. It comes in a pretty big bottle for this is like the biggest size of the product so far. And the next one is the Estate Birchbox. So I'm pretty sure each Birchbox, oh I can't say it, I've said it too many times, comes with an Estate product. So this is the Baked Highlighter Powder. So this is in the shade Lit. So it comes in a little box, you pop it out, and it's extremely cheap looking packaging. This is the shade right here. So it's like a lot of product actually for what I can see, and this is you literally can't see it at all. But it's a really nice formula actually. It looks like it would suit like pale skin tones, which is really nice. But it kind of smells cheap, and it kind of looks like something you'd get, like, you know those like little bits of makeup that you see when you buy a kids magazine and they come free? This kind of looks like that. The packaging is nice, but the actual packaging of the product is nice, and if you rub on it, it doesn't come off. So maybe the product will be nice. The next thing, which is really cool, is this Diamond Eye Brightening and Depuff mask for your eyes. So this is a really cool packaging. You're literally not gonna see this, but it's like mermaidy holography. So these are like skin. It has caffeine which extracts and depuffs tired under eyes. So it's under eye face mask. So this is really cool. I have never tried one of these before, so that's going to be exciting. And then the next thing I see is like a coupon code for jewellery. So I probably won't use this, but the jewellery kind of looks cute. This is it here if you've ever heard of it. I haven't. And then you just have the stuffing of the box. So I actually love the packaging of this box so much. I'm like definitely gonna keep this and like store something in it because it looks really cute, and it's also a cute size. So if I'm placing everything back, so you get 5 products, some are bigger than the others, and then you get a token. So overall I have a piece of makeup, I have a primer, so I have 2 pieces of makeup, I have a hair care, a body care, and a skin care. So overall, like they kind of did like even it out. Like it wasn't all skincare, it wasn't all body care, which is kind of nice, because I feel like if it was of too much of the same thing, it would be a little bit boring. It'd be interesting to see what's in the other box, to see if there's 1 hair care, 1 body care, 2 makeup, 1 skincare. So I'm excited. So on to the second box. It slides out like this, and it says Born Unicorn, and this also has a sample at the back. So in here we have these things in here. So the first thing that I'm seeing is this coconut body lotion. So this is, they sell these in Primark. I'm pretty sure like everyone in the whole world, they sell them on the counters at Primark. So I have seen that before. The next thing that I'm seeing is a bigger kind of sample, and this is the Percy and Reed Hair Frizz Fixer. So this works to condition and rehydrate hair, smoothing away frizz and flyaways. Coconut and majorca oils moisturize and enhance shine, while sweet almond seed cake extracts create a humidity resistant shield around each strand. Non-greasy, formulated without silicones, brush through fixed hair and frizz fixed. So you're using this on dry hair, and it's kind of like a dry shampoo but for flyaways. I have never heard of this, but I do have a lot of flyaways, so I think I will test it out and see what it goes like. The next thing is, oh, I thought this was like a lip balm, but it's the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. So this is the This Works. I have actually talked about this on my channel before. So this is like a spray that you put on. It's a lavender scented spray that you put on at nighttime. I do have the big size of this, and I found it good. It is expensive, but you can get cheaper options that work just as good. But I have actually used this and I enjoyed it. So this, I'm not sure what you would categorize this in, but you have body care, you have hair care. so you could say whatever that kind of brand is. So the next thing we have is another one of those Birchbox own brand makeups. So this is the Floss My Everyday Eyeshadow. So it comes in the same kind of packaging again, and this is a twisty off one, and it's an eyeshadow. So this is like a pressed eyeshadow. And it's that pinky shade right there. It is nice. The formula seems very, very soft, which is nice. I'm not sure if that's the shade or not, but that's what it says at the back. I'm not sure if you can see that. But it comes in the same kind of cheap kind of packaging, but we'll see how it works. So that's one makeup, and then the next one is also makeup. So this is the mini mascara. This is the Marciel curling and lengthening mascara. So as you can see, it's a tiny little sample again. So I haven't actually heard of this brand, or I haven't heard of this mascara before, but you have two makeups. You have hair care, body care, and then the skincare is the deep pillow spray, I'd say. Which is cool because I've actually used the moisturizer and I have used the deep pillow spray, and I do like the both of them. So it's cool to see that I've used two of these out of the 5. I do like this box. I think it's cool, but I think I do prefer this one here. The things in it have been much nicer. Like, they excite me more. I just love the hair care product here because it's like a mask. I probably wouldn't use the Frizz one on an everyday basis. Also, the professional benefit thing really excites me because it's like a really well-known brand. And then also the Human and Kind is like a natural kind of moisturizer, so that excites me a little bit more than the coconut one. And then it also comes with like a face mask, so I really like this box, I think, a little bit better. I'm not sure which box was the free one or whatever, but this one has no month on it. So the other one said April, this one didn't, so I'm not sure which one is which, but I enjoyed it both. I think if you were buying one box and it was €12, I don't think it'd be worth it at all. I think that for having €6 each and having 2 boxes for the same price do make it a little bit worth it, but I feel like the sample sizes, like, they're just so small. Like, you can see that they're making profit off these because they probably do like get those samples for free. So, but they do have cute packaging and stuff, but I just think I'll be cancelling my subscription. Like, I don't think I will get it again. That's the tea. Pun included. But I do enjoy getting it, and I do enjoy that like surprise aspect, like mystery box aspect, but I do not think I will be getting it again. Unfortunately, I'll be cancelling my subscription because getting one box for €12 would be a complete rip-off. Like, for 5 samples, no. But I did enjoy it, and I do watch these videos on YouTube every once in a while, and I do like to see people's opinion of these, so I'm happy that I got to experience it and that I'm posting one for you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much all. So that is all for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon with a brand new video.